You can literally turn Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 into a mini laptop with ease flex mode. In this mode, one half of the fold becomes the screen, while the other half acts as a touchpad to move your cursor around and scroll through pages. That's not all. To transform it into a proper computer mode, use Wireless DeX to connect to your TV wirelessly. And here is the kicker. When you fold the phone, tap the small icon that pops up and the cover screen turns into a touchpad, giving you a bigger screen for gaming, watching videos and more. You can even pair a wireless keyboard and boom, you've got a full setup. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This phone at its price is definitely worth it. While exploring the hidden features, I was shocked at what the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 could do, and that's what I'm sharing with you today. Call me SimpleKen and I'm your anchor for this ride. While preparing this video, I visited one of the biggest tech hubs in Africa, the computer village in Ikeja, Lagos. Got my hands on the phone and even met someone using the Z Fold 6. I asked about his experience with the Fold 6 and his response was mind-blowing. As for me, I haven't gotten my Z Fold 7 yet. Maybe Kubana could help out. The Z Fold 7 is one of the thinnest foldables on the planet. Even Elon Musk can attest that there's none like it in mass. That is to say, on Earth and on Mars, the Z Fold 7 stands tall. It measures 8.9mm when folded, 4.2mm unfolded and weighs just 215 grams. It is lighter than what you expect and feels premium in hand. It comes with a 4400 mAh battery, supports a 25W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging. For protection, it features Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 and an Armor Flex hinge. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor built on a 10nm process, a beast for gaming and heavy tasks, paired with a 12GB or 16GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB, 512GB or 1TB. It runs on Android 16 with One UI 8 out of the box. Samsung went all out with One UI 8's design. I believe they got motivated when Apple released iOS 38. Now let's talk about the camera. It boasts a 200MP wide lens, a 12MP ultra wide lens and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The cameras are sharp, enhanced by AI features or even better photos. Gemini AI powers features like call summary and translations with Gemini Live fully integrated. The phone comes in 4 colors: the blue shadow, silver shadow, jet black, and mint. To me, the blue color feels more like you're using the real Z Fold 7. There have been good reports and experiences from every review I've seen so far about the Z Fold 7, which means that it is a good phone. There have been some reports of hinge issues. I believe that this stems from improper handling. You need your 2 hands to open your Z Fold 7, basically from the middle. If you want to try using one hand to grab it elsewhere, sorry, that's on you. Now let's dive into the hidden features of the Z Fold 7 proper. First on my list is the Transcript Assist. This AI-powered feature transcribes audio to text and can translate it into other languages. It is perfect for summarizing lengthy notes and extracting key points in a group discussion, saving you tons of time. Next is the Photo Ambience. This feature adjusts your wallpaper to match real-time weather conditions. For example, if it's raining outside, you'll see raindrops on your screen. Next feature is getting key info from YouTube videos. All you need to do is to press and hold the side button to bring up options like sharing screen with Gemini Live, asking questions about the video, and getting a full summary. But this makes me to wonder, if Gemini watches YouTube videos to get the summaries right, does YouTube count this as a view because it is practically watching your video? Let's leave that for another day. Next feature is Audio Eraser. For those filming in noisy environment, this feature is a lifesaver. It removes unwanted background noise, ensuring your audio is crystal clear. Let's explore some more advanced features. This feature is for those that don't like the One UI 8 default setup of dragging notifications from the left and quick settings from the right. You can actually save yourself the stress. Sometimes you just want to see everything in one drag. So to simplify things, click on the pen icon, go to the panel setting. With this, when you swipe down, everything appears at once. To ditch the gesture navigation, all you need to do is to go to the settings, find the display, then navigation bar, and switch from swipe gestures to buttons. This feature is awesome because it lets you navigate freely with swipes, and also it triggers Circle to Search or Google Search. This is another amazing feature about One UI 8. It helps you organize your apps. By default, they are scattered, making it hard to find what you need. To set this, click on these 3 dots, then switch to alphabetical mode. And boom, every app will be neatly arranged. Another cool option is separating the main screen and cover screen. By default, they mirror each other, which you might not want. To make them independent, long press on an empty space, then tap Settings. Find cover screen mirroring and turn it off. With this, you can customize the apps you want to have on your main screen and the ones on your cover screen. If you want to customize your screen to look like a computer with a taskbar, the Z Fold 7 got you covered. You can choose to auto-hide the taskbar when apps are open or stay on the screen. Either way it goes, so it is your choice. There's also this feature that allows you to continue whatever you're doing on the main screen to the cover screen. In this setting, you have 3 options, always, which automatically mirrors the cover screen to the main screen. The next is swipe up to continue, which is default, and shows a flashlight icon to resume your tasks whenever you switch over to the cover screen. Then never, which keeps them separate. Last but not the least, on the hidden features of Z Fold 7, you can enable multi-mode window on all apps. On advanced features, you have the option to turn on multi-windows on all apps because some apps may not want to split screen. So Samsung knows that it's your phone and they want you to be the man in charge. Still on the same settings section, you can turn on these features to make multitasking easier. It lets you to use your finger to split the screen, rearrange windows and multitask like a pro. The Z Fold 7 is a phone, a tablet and a laptop all in one. Unbeatable, right? It's such a super amazing phone. My few hours glancing through the phone was an experience to behold. But the prices of this phone are not making it look friendly, I tell you. You get the 256 variant at about 2,750,000 naira, which is about $1,999, and the other variants, which are the 512 gig, at about 2,915,000 naira, while the 1 terabyte variant is about 3,328,000 naira. Actually, it's worth every penny. If you want to get one for yourself, drop a comment or send a WhatsApp message, link on my bio, and grab one for yourself at a discount. And the Samsung outlets that I went to offer to give anyone that buys from me a huge discount. Also, do well to drop your comments about the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Like the video and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. From us to you, stay creative, live in the moment. Until we meet next time, bye for now. Cheers.